Alright, so you've heard about the insane modded versions of Among Us on mobile and you want in? This is the real no nonsense guide. But before we start, you need to understand that this comes with a major security risk. You are downloading an app from outside the official App Store, which can contain viruses or spyware. So if you're going to do this, proceed with extreme caution. First, you absolutely must uninstall the official Among Us app from your phone. If you don't, you will get an installation error because you cannot have two different versions of the same app on your device at once. Now you can download the modded APK. You need to find a reputable third party website. Be warned, even the most trusted sites can have risks. Search for the specific mod you want, such as a mod menu or a Town of Us mod. When you find the download link, your phone will give you a big scary warning. This is your phone telling you that this file could be dangerous. You must tap download anyway to proceed. Once the download is complete, open your phone's file manager and go to your downloads folder. Tap on the APK you just downloaded. The installation screen will pop up. Tap install and wait for it to finish. You're done. The new Among Us app icon will now be on your home screen. Tap to open it, and if the installation was successful, you should see a mod menu on the screen or in the settings. From there, you can enable all the new roles and features.